Welcome. What I like to do for you today is discuss performance. Performance that's going to come to you in the form of a deliverable. And the information on this deliverable is also uploaded on ISNetWorld, PEC, and Avetta, as well as other third-party data sites. To date, we have performed just north of 189,000 man-hours without a recordable incident. A huge contributing factor to that is internally, we performed 88 self-verifications. Now, some may ask, what is a self-verification? It's a proactive approach, an internal investigation or audit to make sure that we are performing at the level that we expect us to perform. It's a compliance measure. With that being said, we can move down to industry comparison snapshot, and you can look at some numbers here and you can see that for comparing us to industry for a 3-year average, total recordable incident rates, we are performing 61% below industry average. For experience modifier rate, 26% below industry average. And for days away restricted or transfer of duty rate, 77% below industry average. This isn't luck. And this is also uncertain times. But during these times, I can tell you that we perform according to a systematic approach. Business and services are being provided or delivered on trust. And the one thing that you can do is you can trust that we have just embarked on 2 years, an anniversary date of 2 years without a recordable incident rate. Thank you for partnering with us. Here at Ecoserv, we look forward to, with you, continuing these levels of performance.